Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Discord on phone while playing games. It is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your Discord app. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on the gear icon right here. Alright, once done, you're going to want to locate voice besides the app settings or within the app settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Alright, as you can see here, there's a ton of options right here. Just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see enable mobile voice overlay. All right, as you can see here, see who's talking and access shortcuts while using other apps when connected to voice. Just go ahead and tap on that. And again, hit allow, go back to Discord. And as you can see here, it is now enabled. So whenever you play a game, for example, I'm going to join a voice or a voice call. All right, right here, just for example, join voice. Hello. All right. Once we tab out and play a game, as you can see here, there's a bubble right here. This is your Discord. When you tap on it, you can go ahead and get an invite link, switch channels. All right. Then when you tap on it again, you can go ahead and open up Discord whenever you want while playing a game. Well, that's basically how you do it. And I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.